Today is Sunday, September 16th. The time is 1:10 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Limited Basketball break, break number 12. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Bulls. Carlos Boozer, serial number 67 out of 299. Next we have a 2012 draft class redemptions, card number 14. What we're doing on those is waiting for the list to come out, which should be out in the fall. And I'm recording everybody's team and what they bid on, and winners will be contacted as soon as that is released. Next hit is for the Lakers. Limited signatures. Kurt Rambis, autograph. Serial number 64 out of 99. For the Bulls again. Jersey. Limited threads. Shaquem Noah. Serial number 15 out of 99. Another 2011 draft class auto redemptions, card number 0, draft pick auto, XRCDD. Same thing on that one as the other redemption. And the last card goes to the Suns, legend, Connie Hawkins, serial number 232 out of 299. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for basketball and ending tomorrow. I have another 2011-2012 Panini Limited break. For football box breaks, I have 2 box breaks ending today, 2012 Topps Inception and 2012 Topps Finest. Additional football box breaks I have listed, 2011 Panini Gold Standard, 2011 Panini Prime Signatures, and 2012 Panini Momentum. For baseball box breaks, I have 2012 Topps Finest.